Chapter beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my digital papers advent calendar 2024. I'm going to be doing a freebie a day throughout the month of December, so starting from the 1st up to the 24th of December, and then you get a very special one on Christmas Day, which you're going to receive a very large paper pack. Okay, so this is my way to say thank you to every single one of you for your continued support throughout all this year. And this is a series I do every single year on my channel. The freebie will be available on my Facebook group, so follow the link at the end of the video. So let's start and show you the freebie for today. Welcome to day number 12th of December. Today's freebie is this page here. It's a page with you can get a large envelope, okay, that's a scallop top with the two sides on the bottom, and two small rectangular envelopes. So you've got the body, the two sides, top and bottom. This page here is part of my VIP lounge subscription for the month of August 2024. So it's one of the past edition, and this was another favorite of my VIP members. I've asked the guys to let me know which they would have preferred this year so far, and they gave me a little list, and this was on the top. So this page here is part of the VIP lounge. Of course, you can't get these papers anymore even if you joined, but I can show you what you get if you joined in the month of December. Okay, so in December you get 3 paper packs as usual, as well as the little gift box. So number 1 is called Spring Floral. Although it's December, I think we all pretty much done with the I hope you guys are with all our Christmas crafting. So I'll give you 2 Christmas papers and also a spring floral, so you guys can start thinking and working towards, you know, January and onwards through spring projects really. So got it's lovely, very bright, a lot of contrast with different colors. So you get 1 page purely with floral, which I have used to design the letter H. This one here with a mixture of stripes and floral. This, which is more like a camel, more like a camouflage style. A deep contrast with the stripes and the floral. And then this is my favorite page, favorite page, when you get a, don't know if you can see it, but it's a very pinky, pastely pink background with green and purple flowers on top. And I love the contrast with pink and green. I think it works so much as a color combination. There's a little bit of turquoise as well, but that's part of like the green family. The second pack is called Pastel Christmas. This is a very gentle, very soft, very calm Christmas papers. You get the one with the bubbles, one with the tree and the snowflakes, and then this little star. This with the snowflakes and also the bubbles. And this can be used like as a galaxy as well, so if you do like any project with like planets and things like that. And then this is my favorite page on this kit, which is a blend again of pink and green. I love the combination with the white snowflakes, and I think it works really well. Don't know if you can see it, but it's like textured, so it's not a plain color. So I played, when I was designing them, I played with different textures on the background. And then the last papers, it's called Frosted Christmas. So again, it's a very, reminds me of Jack Frost. So it's very cold blue, very icy blue with the contrast of the warmth of the red. Okay, so I'll put these colors together. It's got a little robin there, a little Father's Christmas with the presents and big flowers and an ephemera on the back. And then this is my favorite page on this kit, where you get the poinsettias in red and blue on a splattery artistic background. This month letter box is letter H. So this is the assembly instruction page. So you get the H on the front, the H on the back, and then all the tabs to construct the 3D. So when you print it off on a cardstock. So can you hear it? Mine is very, very thick. So excuse me. So you get one page which is like this, which again is the H and the tabs. This is one of the easiest boxes to pull together. And then the second page is the H to go on the back. And then because I had literally half of the page empty, so I thought, what can I do? So I used the pattern to create a pillow box. So something that you guys can put together. And with this, you also get a private video that show you step by step how to put the letter H together. So I'll show you now what it looks like. And this is what letter H looks like when it's done up. Very, very steady, very, very strong. And that's what the pillow box looks like when it's done up. Okay, so I recommend you guys print it on a cardstock. And that's what it looks like. Let me fetch the rest of the alphabet. So we have done number, let me zoom out a little bit. Oh, too far. A little too far. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Very, very different, and each letter is all, it's different. So what can we spell? Can we spell something? We can definitely spell, what can we spell? Oh, I feel like I'm catchphrase now. We can spell face. F-A-C-E. What can you spell? Let me know in the comment down below. But yeah, so that's letter H. VIP Lounge is a subscription that I offer on my website when you can get 3 digital papers each month, a gift box and a discount code. You've got 2 options. You pay monthly with a very small fee, which is less than the price of a coffee, or you can pay once upfront for 12 months. But let me explain everything on my website. Okay guys, so this is my website. So when you look at AntonioMakes.com, so this is the homepage. If you click on VIP Lounge, there you go. You got my membership plan. So you have a Gold Butterfly, which you pay £5 a month. And then you have a yearly one. So you got the VIP Lounge yearly membership. Okay. So if you click on here, you have 30% discount across all digital papers on the website, 3 mini, at least 4 pages each, a monthly offer or a gift, A5 size of 5 art print delivered to your home address, and a special video with project and tutorial. So you get all of this when you subscribe for the Gold Butterfly on a £5 monthly plan. If you click on the yearly subscription, click on details, you got exactly the same treats that you have with the monthly one, but you basically pay once upfront. Okay, you guys can get this freebie on my Facebook group. Let me show you where. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, Antonio Makes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on file, you'll see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the 3 dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded in
to your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Big thumbs up if you like this freebie. Don't forget to check out the previous freebies in case you have missed it. There is a playlist. Everything is linked down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Big thumbs up, and I will see you tomorrow for another freebie. And until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.